Tire Talk, brought to you by Tirecraft Auto Centers. Find your guy at tirecraft.com.
Good afternoon, M&J Tirecraft. Terry speaking, can I help you?
Whether we like it or not, most of us have to buy tires. When we're in the market to buy vehicles or electronics, the path to purchase can be fun. When we're in the market to buy tires, it can be work. So let's talk about how we can make the process easier and quicker.
Hey guys, how are you today?
When consumers reach out to tire retailers, the conversation usually starts in the same way. Hi, I'm looking for a price on a set of tires. We've listened to enough phone calls across the industry to know that generally that's just what they get. A price on a set of tires, maybe a mileage warranty, but very little other information.
What kind of vehicles do you drive?
Well, from a simple standpoint, if you're not quite sure, reach out to an expert. It'll be more direct, which will save you time and increase the chances of getting the best fitment for your vehicle. The retailer will have a solid enough foundation that they can provide good recommendations for your vehicle.
All right, sounds good.
It doesn't hurt to look on the internet, get a bit of information to kind of know what you want. There's a lot of variables of what kind of car you're driving, what kind of conditions you drive in. You're worried about noise, you're worried about performance, that kind of thing. But then, come to us and we'll guide you in the direction you need to go.
So if I could give consumers one piece of advice, it would be to change the conversation. Start by telling the story of the vehicle. For instance, I drive a 2014 Ford Edge SEL. It's got 100,000 kilometers on it, and it's our primary family vehicle. We hope to keep it for another 3 to 4 years. If you start with the vehicle, the retailer will have a solid enough foundation that they can provide good recommendations for your vehicle.